Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. Today we show you how to add a manual task. Head to the toolbar at the top of the page and select the Tasks icon. Select Add. The new task dialog box opens. Enter a title for your task. In this example, we're creating a task as a manager to research training courses relevant to employee goals and aspirations from recent annual review meetings. The manager wants to finish this task before the end of the day, so we're selecting a due date of today and 5:30 PM for time. Select Set a Reminder to set a product nudge for your task. In this example, we're setting the nudge for 2 hours before. When you're happy with your choices, select Save. Your reminder should look something like this. Congratulations! You have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.